Hey guys, I am back with another video on ZZZGamer066 channel, which is mine. And anyways, I am going to be trying to get a puppy on DogSim. I don't really know how to, but yeah. So I heard you have to I don't know, I heard you have to let both of the dogs sleep in the den, I'm not sure, at the same time. And it's I don't know what else to do though, but yeah, let's just see what happens. Cause I really want a puppy. I have a father and a mom, but no puppy. I'm like, seriously. And my cheeks are so chubbier than before. And we actually have some good lighting in here. But if it was this way, it would be much better. You can actually see me. Hello. But right here is fine because I'm comfy. So we have our dogs right here. I'm gonna actually cut this off. So we have our dogs right here. I'm pretty sure this is Wally. So yeah. So let's go ahead and switch over to Alejandra. Hold on. It told me how to switch over, but I actually forgot. I forgot how to switch over. Oh, here we go. Getting a puppy. To get a puppy, release level 10 and follow. See, I knew it. Level 10. Okay. So both of them need to be on level 10. And what level is she on? Level 4. Okay, let's go ahead and start with Wally. So let's go ahead and try to find somewhere to get leveled up from. And I think it will, this is my new favorite game, guys. I won't be doing like every single day, but I'll do different videos of different games. Here we go. So, we already got a target. Alright, so he's on level 10. Now we just need to have Alejandra. Yeah, I think I already died, I'm not sure. Yeah, I did. Okay. Let's be sure. Okay, there we go. So, what I need to do is switch to her. And since he's already on level 10, I'm just gonna try to let her fill up too. No, don't help out Wally. No, you can if you want. Okay. Now I'm on level 5. Hey, why are you helping? I didn't even do anything to you. Sorry for that, guys. I just have to do something. So, Alejandra is almost on level 10. We just need a few more things to go. And then, yeah, she'll be on level 10. A lot of stuff around the neighborhood still. That's a bunny sound? Oh my gosh. Where's Wally? Wally, I need you. Okay. Why is my sprint thing not working? Okay, seriously, where's Wally? I think I only need to... I can only do it on... I think on this, I'm guessing. Okay, this is not working out. It's seriously not working out. Okay. There we have it. And Wally's right there. So let's go find this German Shepherd that I see on the map. I think it's this way. If I'm not mistaken, it should be right here. Okay, I see it. John at it. We're through the fence. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna jump over the fence. Okay, this was actually a bad idea. Yes! Alright, she's almost on level 6. So let's go ahead and try to find her some different challenges. Ooh, let's go do that dog over there. Let's see. So it is now, okay. I don't think I'm going to be doing any more videos for today, but if I am, stay tuned for different ones. So let's go ahead and, Wally, you better help out. First of all, where is he? Oh my gosh, it's not going to work out. Wally, you better help with my target. Yeah, help out. My target thing is not working for some reason. It'll really be helping out right now, but it's not for some reason. Yay. Wally, you should have got it. Now it's working. Let's go do it again. I think it's over here. Yeah, it's on the other corner. Oh my gosh. OMG, guys. I messed the target again. Now the thing is working. Finally. Come on, level up. Oh my gosh. Seriously. Okay. Let's go find some other stuff. Wally. I'll probably do a part 2 of actually having the puppies. Now it's working. Wow. Go get it, Wally. Oh, she's on level 6 now. Okay, come on. Let's go get this dog that I see over here on the map right there. See, my sprint is actually working. Okay, so it takes like once in a while. Like every once in a while it works. Okay, where is it? I was like, you know I'm going to defeat you, little doggy dog. We 2 big dogs for you. We got 2 actually. It was much better. Alright, we're almost to level 7, guys. Let me go get that fox that I see on the screen. I'm so happy to get a puppy. So, let's see. I see there's a fox on the screen right over. Oh, I see it. Okay, where's Wally? Where's Wally? Wally, follow me because I need you. Okay. Okay. Okay, get. Let's go get this fox that I see right here. Yeah, get it, Wally. Get it. Kill it. Yay, we got it. Let's go get some more. Let's go get, there's another dog over here. Or is that Wally? That might actually be Wally. Wait. I see another dog. Like seriously right there. Because I'm not on online. I don't think. I'm not on online. So there is another dog. If I'm not mistaken. Should be right here. What in the world? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? I don't even see a dog. Oh, it's right there. I was like, where's the dog? Here we go. Bye-bye. Hey, dog. Let's go get another one. So she's almost on level 7. And yeah. Why is there so many dogs on the beach and there's like no humans? Oh, there's level up on him. I think he's helping out the most. Really, even me. Like, my sprint thing won't work for some reason. Like, Wally's works fine, but not mine for some reason. Okay. So... I think it's because I need to, like, wait a few seconds or something to the, that spark thing up there, be full to 84 under the heart. Yeah. Okay, that was working. And we gotta wait till our health fills up too. Okay guys, so it's full enough, and yeah, I'm not gonna use it too much. Sorry, bald man, you're going down. Oh, that's a lady. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I caught you a man on accident, but I think it was kind of worth it. Not to be mean or anything. Okay, let's not use all our strength. Yeah. Okay. You see it, Wally, right there? Go get it. Oh, that other horse trying to help out too. Look at that. Okay. So I'm on level 7. And yeah, so we're just gonna let it fill up. Oh, it's on 88. Okay. Oh, okay. So my thing is full. Let's go get this. I'm gonna go get the coyote first, or whatever it is, or fox or something. You. Alright. Bye, Foxy. Great. I'm gonna go to that whatever it is, a human. Well, it is a human, but I don't know if it was a lady or man. So I'm gonna have to go to a 2-part video of this. So yeah. So there's probably gonna be like 2 more attacks or something. I got him where I want him. Okay, there we go. So we're actually gonna go back home, and I'll see you guys in the 2-part video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go right here, and I am gonna go back home. Yeah. Here we go. Booyah. So what I'm gonna do really quick, while I'm with you guys, just go to sleep. Good night. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this 1-part video. 2-part video is coming right up, so stay tuned.